Hi, I'm Lou Bellock. Call sign is N2JPR, and I am an antique radio restorer. And I wanted to do a presentation here on a radio that I've just, I'm in the about, 3/4 way mark of restoring. And this is a 1934 McMurdo 5C, Silver 5C. And this is a unit I obtained on eBay in non-working order, but in pretty good cosmetic shape. This is the unit on its side right here, and I've mated it up to a vintage 30s speaker with a vintage driver in the speaker, 8 ohms with a matching transformer to a high impedance output on the McMurdo. And I wanted to quickly show some of the things I've done to restore this unit. If we turn the unit to its back, there's quite a few components that I have replaced, and I've got them here. Old-fashioned resistor that's open, a pot that was open, a couple switches that are not working properly, lots of hardware, some shorted and old electrolytic caps, and some resistors. And see, typically they look like this. These are the old paper, I think they're called paper mica caps. And so what we've installed are some updated tantalum capacitors, a new oil-filled capacitor, some new electrolytic capacitors, and these old radios had an outboard choke that was in the speaker, and they used to share the speaker magnet. And this was supposed to be in the high voltage supply. And I've now installed a permanent choke here instead of having it inside the speaker. And I've fashioned a new power cord. Actually, the old power cord was all chewed and rotten with a pretty faulty plug on it. And so I have a new old stock cloth-covered cord. And I used vintage cloth wire for the speaker and an old-fashioned 4-prong plug that's actually ceramic. If we quickly flip the radio around, the panel's been redone, just cleaned, and the knobs have all been cleaned. 2 new switches, dial readjustment, and some new hardware on front. And then on the inside here, I basically just cleaned it up. I have tubes have all been taken out, cleaned, everything basically cleaned and polished, and still some restoration work to do. I have some ceramic plate caps that are coming. I'm going to fashion in here, and I'll probably paint the top of the transformer. And so now let's give a listen. And right now I'm on 40 meters, and I've actually got the BFO on, so we can listen to some CW and possibly some sideband. Now it's the middle of the day at 40 meters, it's not that strong signals, or many signals. No, not many signals on 40 meters. So this is a dual drive tuning knob. When it's pushed in, it's vernier tuning with a 50-to-1 ratio. And if I pull this knob out, if I push it in, I've got main tuning with about 7-to-1. So let's turn off the BFO. And let's see if there's any broadcast stations.
Really work. Without them, date night would be a silly exercise in
40 meters during the day, not that good.
Chancellor of Germany, going in
tone control.
Between them, and there's been some problems with Germany
Send receive switch.
Turkey into the European Union. How about that being